the biggest fear all the human beings go through is, if the perceiver changes, what will happen? See, your whole life you conclude something as pleasure, something as pain, and you plan, act, work, build everything based on that. Suddenly at some time, the perceiver who gives you the understanding, which is pleasure, which is pain, he seems to be changing. That is what frightens you. That is what makes you shiver. That is what shakes you. I tell you, the person who knows even the perceiver changes and accepts his change, updates himself. You might have spent 10 years on your career, maybe an IT engineer, a lawyer, doctor, activist. Suddenly, when your inner space changes, the concepts of your pain and pleasure, I am not saying give up the career you built. I am only saying don't be afraid of that change. Don't be afraid of that change of your perception, because the change of perception is the gift given to you for your sincerity in supporting your perception. If your perception has told you being a doctor is the best and you built your career on that, suddenly your perception changes and it says being a doctor is no more a pleasure, no more a desirable. I am not even saying give up being a doctor. I am only saying don't be afraid of that perception and don't try to snub that perception. It is a gift happening to you. Please understand, the perception evolving. Evolution of the perception is a gift happening to you, which is just happening from fact to perception to fact, fact to truth, truth to reality. And anybody stops the evolution of perception commits spiritual suicide. Atmahadya. Understand? Atmahadya. That's the word I will use. Killing the soul. The possibility. Killing the soul and possibility. I am telling you, not to frighten you, not to correct you, not to control you, not even I am interested in guiding you. And I know nobody listens to me. After talking 12,000 hours, last 15 years, I am very clear on my conclusion, nobody listens to me. I am talking for me to listen to me. Understand, with this clarity, I am declaring this truth. Upanishads just declare their own strength by their own statements. They do not need any author to authenticate them. Same way, whatever I am talking, the dharma, the truth, I am revealing it for myself. The listeners listening does not need to authenticate what is being uttered. With this clarity, I am uttering these words, listen. whatever you hold with fear of losing it, exactly that will only be taken away from you.